Hey, Tech Life Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to delete a page in Google Docs. So say you have a document like I do in Google Docs that's got 2 pages. So you can see the second page. Maybe I want to delete that second page. So all I have to do is I'm going to highlight the text and press backspace. That is going to delete the text. And to delete the whole page, I'm going to click onto that page and then click backspace again. And you can see that page has been deleted. But if you want to delete all the pages, like have a pageless document, what you can do is click on File in the top left hand corner, scroll down to Page Setup, and here you can click on Pageless and click on OK, and all the pages disappear. It will just be one long document. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.